If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Culture, the way of the people, as a historic heritage of a people, can also serve as a unifying factor. This is seen in the celebration of Nwafor festival, which marks the conclusion of a farming season and ushers in the new farming season for both Ogbunike and Ogidi communities. It is known for display of lots of masquerades and cultural activities by the youths of both communities. The event started on the 19th of July 2024 and was celebrated and concluded by the Ogbunike community on Sunday 21st of July 2024 at the village field close to Ogbunike Town Hall. Giving glory to God for a successful farming season, the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Transportation, Anambra State, explained that Nwafor, amongst other things, connects Ogbunike and Ogidi as brothers. Chief Engineer Michael Okechukwu Obiekwe Milioma Ogbunike confirmed the relationship between Ogidi and Ogbunike as cemented with intermarriages.
I know Ogidi to feel the common Nikisicoya. Then I know why you know that Ogbunike came Ogbunike bois. Half an hour, why you know, Ogidi go Ogidi bois, half an hour no Ogbunike. So the Kamuabu. Engineer Michael my mother bo Ogidi, so no Ogidi will never watch it. So to Ogid, they are good as no nega, they are good on as no ebe, and then more Ogidi no Ogbunike. To Ogid, quite Japan Ogidi. I got good as no, and then more Ogbunike no Ogidi.
Ogbunike community lost the traditional ruler of the community 4 years ago. One of the contenders for the throne of Ogbunike community, Chief Elochukwu Bwacham Ezudo Ogbunike, affirmed that Ogbunike, like never before, needs peace to bring about development.
First of all, what Ogbunike did mostly is peace. But we have peace. Any other thing will be online. For instance, starting from our former ego, there's a lot of crisis in Ogbunike. And that crisis is up till now. It's not yet settled. So it's still telling on this town called Ogbunike. And it's causing that a lot of development is not coming over here. Because when you want to do this, the other opponent will say no. Because for you to take the growth, they don't want it. So that is one. So my major priority is to make sure there's peace in our community. Because I believe once there's peace, there will be progress. That is one. You know, our side, they call us Ndamambara. We are not like the other side. Abuin people, you know, they know how to make money and they use money. But our own side, we like pleasure. So what I'm trying to say is that things we cannot do by ourselves. So we can use government contacts, connection. That is why I try to put my wife there. That the time things start coming to my mind is that my arrangement, the plans I have from the beginning. That's why I send my wife over there. So those I cannot do on our own, we use government connections.
He, however, rated the performance of Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo very high as he vows to give him all needed support.
Governor Soludo doing fantastically well. Anyone say anything against that is an enemy, is an ingrate. You yourself, you people in Anambra State, if like the former governor does half of, it's still only under 2 years. You can see, you know the reason why they make it zonal from one zone to another is when it's your turn, you face your zone. When you get tired, people will be tired. So it was doing marvelously well.
Okay.
There's no doubt about that. So he's trying.
Okay.
And we are going to spot him for second term.
Okay.
By special grace of God, our area, this Anambra North, let me call it Anambra, we go and sleep over this our area. We have no problem. We give him minimum of 80%.
From Ogbunike, Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekeze report.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekeze Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekeze. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.